What's up, YouTube? Just got, well, haven't done an update since last semester, so last year anyway, and I just got a few new things. Got a Leatherman Rebar, black oxide. Got a Preon P2 flashlight. Got a Streamlight Microstream flashlight. Those were all around Christmas time. And then just in the other day, got myself a Benchmade Onslaught. First production. You can see that? 751 out of 1,000. And just wanted to do a quick video real quick just to show off some of this stuff. But I just want to let you know, any of my subscribers, I know there's like 6 of you out there, but that I will be trying to get some videos in. Just been crazy with school. I have 23 credits this semester. I was a little behind, so I picked up some extra credits, and I've been all over the place. So I really just wanted to take a second and make a video, just so you know I'm not, an abandoned channel, and I'm still going to continue making videos. So let's show you some of this stuff. Oh, and by the way, I don't really like doing the whole like camera coming at me angle, but it's not really my choice right now. I have another camera with me, but I didn't bring a tripod or anything, so I don't want to be shaking around with my hand. So first off, show off that Benchmade Onslaught. Sorry if you're getting any weird colors in the camera. This knife is huge. It's about 9.5 inches in total length. It's literally, it's massive, but it's smooth as butter and it's sharp as hell. See if we can get a cut test in real quick. You can see, just taking it off. And what else? Like I said, Preon P2, nice little pen light, nice multi-mode pen light. Got low, medium, high, and if you cycle through all of them, goes into strobe. Got a few beacon modes and all kind of cool SOS stuff. I'll get into that. I'm definitely gonna do an overview video and unboxing on all this stuff. I just kind of wanted to put it out there so you know there's stuff coming. And soon to come is definitely a review on that Benchmade mini griptillion that I've been carrying for a while. Got some wear and tear on that, so I'll show that off a little bit. Streamlight Microstream, nice little tiny guy, just quick, just single mode light. Both these are AAA batteries. Really nice lights just to have in pocket all the time. Really come in handy. And last but not least, it's got the Leatherman Rebar here. Not going to open this up, show any tools or anything right now, but this thing is awesome. I carry this on the side of my backpack and sometimes on my belt all the time. It's pretty much a size down Super Tool 300, but it's got the black oxide coat, and they redid some of the knives and the saws and things, and my buddy, even who has a Super Tool 300, likes it a little bit more. So just got all this within the last month or so, well, 2 months or 2 or 3 months or so, but I figured I'd just throw that out there, give you guys an update just so you were getting antsy, yeah, because I know there's millions of my subscribers out there waiting for a video from me, anxiously biting their teeth. So like I said, definitely gonna get these reviews up. I have a backpack I carry every day. I got a 511 12-hour pack. I'm gonna do a review on that. I've been carrying that since high school, so plenty of stuff to come. If not soon, it will be coming. There will be a time where I'll crank out like 3 or 4 solid review, like decently lengthy videos on some of this gear and stuff I've carried, and it's definitely to come. So sorry for the wait. Like I said, ton of school stuff going on, but I mean, anything you want to hear about immediately, if I get any comments or anything like that, anything that you want to see immediately or have some requests, I could definitely push to get those ones done first if there's anyone that has interest in it. Besides that, everyone have a good weekend. I know I'm going to have some fun this weekend, enjoy myself a little bit after a hard week. So, see you guys next time. Peace.